I see the sons of time wasting away all by itself. And even the icon of nature is born in this place. It's a place of life. To see no life, I keep counting the sun, counting the time, watching day by day and night by night, just going with the moment. Have nothing in my life to treasure and hold. I just see this wind blowing in the sun, a little twist around. But what you are to me, if I had a choice to be in the sun, stuck in this time, or be with you, my sweet honey, the bee I own, to serve you like a queen. If you knew about the sun and its cold and blaze, it's so dry, it sticks to my eyes. With this wind passing by, but you are enlightenment, who brings joy into my heart. If you knew how I felt, you're sharing your love like we like it. But every time it's passing, there's people there stuck in the sand, a quicksand, a sand hole. I'm being frozen there with the sand of time. I wonder to myself, how can they be helped? Even if they can, if they knew what I have, this privilege of love, with you by my side, they might come out, walk away from the desert, for every step counted in the sand. I will count them for you to be a step closer to home, to be in the love in the bottom of my soul, to have the spirit to escape from the sun, so blizzard of the sun. If you knew how I felt within blaze of the sun blowing in my face, it might as well be in the winter, feeling this cold, not having a home, a building I respect to show I care. From the sun to the storm of the cold and blaze, Your comparison is greater. I see it this way. Walk away from the storm of the world and build a privilege, build a temple to last time from the cold and heat. Who break our back, who take away our smile to being so sweet with nature's walk. I'm just trying to say how much I appreciate you, and you are a treasure to me.